how to face the truth of your bad financial decisions. Number one, I had to let the numbers speak. You've heard the statement maybe before, numbers don't lie. Well, my numbers didn't lie. And I reviewed my spending decisions over the previous couple of years. And, I've got a old D-ring binder of my checkbook registers. And, I'm looking in here and I see that I spent on October the 16th of 2002, I spent $8.63 at Panda Express. Isn't that awesome? And I spent $135.99 at Walmart. And the same day, for some reason, I spent $31.47. Then I went to Kohl's and spent $82.19. I had to let these numbers speak. And these numbers, well, you know what? I'm not sure it works for everyone, but for me, math helped remove a lot of emotion. And so let the numbers speak. That helped me a lot. Hopefully it'll help you if you're trying to come to grips with some poor financial decisions. The second thing is you learn the lessons. You may have heard the phrase, eat the meat, spit out the bones. You can't let this drag out into the abyss of woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Here's some major lessons that I learned. We needed to start saving for Christmas every month. I learned that the credit card spending is out of control. I learned that I needed to stop withdrawing from the cash ATM at my workplace. I was doing that almost every day. And I also learned that we needed to get rid of some debt. In fact, my overarching lesson is whatever we are currently doing, well, it's not helping us make the progress we want with our money. And the third thing on how we face the truth of our financial decisions, bad financial decisions, is we got some help. I personally became a voracious consumer of financial content. Online content, blogs were a new thing. A lot of people were writing about it. I read Dave Ramsey's book, Financial Peace Revisited. I read Robert Kiyosaki's book, Cash Flow Quadrant and Rich Dad, Poor Dad. David Chilton's book, The Wealthy Barber. David Bach's book, The Automatic Millionaire Homeowner. And that consumption of financial content helped me have a mindset shift. And I also, it's very important to note here that my bride was a huge help here too. Jen, my wife, is a natural saver, and that gave me some help. And so I hope that's helpful to you. If you're trying to get up the energy to face any bad financial decisions, do these three things. Let those numbers speak to you. Learn the lessons. Don't beat yourself up. Just learn the lessons from the past, and then get some help to help coach you along the way. I'm confident it will help you just like it helped me face those poor decisions and get better so that we can start winning with our money. Have a great day, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Hey, if you've gotten value from this, and I believe you have, click that subscribe button, click that thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with somebody. We want to make sure that this community grows so that we can all, together, live fully funded lives. Thanks for being a part of our family.